You want shoe storage that's easy to access and a breeze to clean, but you also want it to look nice and blend seamlessly with your aesthetic. IKEA has plenty to offer in the way of hacks that'll maximize your shoe storage stylishly and effectively. Check out our favorite IKEA shoe storage. 1. Rather tuck your kicks away? You can use any kind of flatboard. We've used a Vedinge kitchen cabinet door. Then all you need to do is attach some wheels to the bottom. Done. 2. Rationale Verriera Vertical Shoe Rack. This organizer will display your favorite shoes so perfectly that no one will guess it was made for potholders. Plus, there's no hammering, gluing, or sanding involved. 3. Shoe Sig Welly Rack. This hack is perfect for shoes like wellies, snow boots, and other kicks that have a tendency to track a ton of dirt through the house. It's a breeze to execute and will provide an ultra-tidy place for your shoes to air out and dry off. 4. Entryway storage from kitchen cabinets. Here, the Factum kitchen cabinet is flipped on its side and transformed into a one-of-a-kind IKEA shoe storage. You can also achieve the same with Section or Metod kitchen cabinets. 5. Expedit Kallax Shoe Cubby. If you love to look at your shoes even more than you like to wear them, then this shoe cubby is the hack for you. It'll store your shoes while displaying them beautifully, making it perfect for the stylish shoe enthusiast. 6. Wall-mounted shoe organizer. This wall-mounted shoe organizer system shows how to keep shoes on the wall and off the floor. Bonus: it'll save you tons of floor space. Besides, lining them up on the wall makes it so easy to pick the right pair to go with your outfit. 7. TV stand into storage bench. This idea is as stylish as it is effective, and it will work with a number of different IKEA television stands. It takes a bit of time to achieve, but once you're done, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.